Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on this widget which allows us to customize the color using this color wheel that we implemented yesterday. So here you can see I can select the colors from the wheel and it is applied to the character. That's what we are going to work on. Alright, so we implemented this material yesterday, and now the next step is implementing the widget for color pick. So this is the rough design that I am going for. So I would have two boxes, current color and the new color, and some OK button to apply that, and here the color wheel. These things are additional, so I will give less priority to that. First I will implement the color wheel and the selected color, and then some button to apply it. Right, now here let's create a new color picker. I'll call this advanced color because I already have a color picker, which is this. This is something I worked on some time ago. This one. This is also working, but I need to do it new. I did that in Unreal Engine 4, but it still works with Unreal Engine 5 as well. Alright, now let's start our new widget. User interface widget blueprint, user widget WDG advanced color. Okay, now here first I'll add a canvas, and then we need two boxes that shows current color and the new color, and then the main color palette, color wheel. Okay, so what if I change this canvas panel to a vertical box? Oh no, then we can't set the size. Okay, undo that, and under this I'll add a vertical box, and I'll anchor it to the top. Let's set the size 500 by 800, maybe. This might work. Alright, so now I'll add another horizontal box that's for the boxes which contains the color and the buttons. So, and then I need the actual color picker, color wheel. So should be an image. Here. Can I set the size? I'll wrap it with the size box. Oh no, I can't set that. Okay, so I'll make it fill, and I'll use the material M color wheel, and it's stretched, but we will fix that. Oh, can I do this? Right, 500 by 500. Alright, now the horizontal box. I'll set that to fail. Oh no, okay. Now within this horizontal box, let me name ing color v. Inside this horizontal box, I need another 2 images to show the colors. Maybe I should put 2 images, one after other, one and another, the next new one below. So another vertical box within here. Okay, and under that I'll add an image, 2 images. Okay, so bold color and size x100, and duplicate this, new color. Well, let's use this convention, new color, red color. Oh, it doesn't change. But if I change to another thing and hold color, oh, now it works. Some issue in the engine. Okay, I'll add some padding to both, perhaps, right, and here we would just need OK button and a cancel button. Maybe just apply or close. So 2 buttons that should be under this horizontal box. Maybe align to left. Oh, we can't. Oh, what if I add another horizontal box? Let's wrap this button with the horizontal box, and I'll make it fill right. Then the button, it's not going. Oh, we can have a space. Oh, yeah. Replace with the child. We don't need that. And have a spacer in between. Button. Okay, now it jumps to the side. Alright, so in the middle we might need like a tick to say OK or to apply. Yeah, right. Can I add a text with the tick? Oh, is there a Unicode for the tick that I can easily use? I'm not sure, yeah. I'm not sure that would work. Oh, it does. Nice. Let's make it a bit bigger. Maybe a little bit smaller. And it's already bold. What if I make it green? Because it's apply. Alright. And the next thing I need is this mark, cancel mark. So first I need to duplicate the button. Our name is pt and apply, and duplicate pt and cancel. Oh, that's not working. Oh, can we just use X? Right. I'll make this red. Because cancel. Oh, sorry. I interchanged. This should be apply. This should be cancel. Okay. Oh, I could simply do this too, but it doesn't change the name. Okay, now how do we get this to the edge? First we need padding from the right, so 10, and how to push it here, perhaps a spacer. Right. Okay. And we need the circle to point the current peak of the color. So how can we do that? Let's wrap with color wheel with overlay. Right, and then I'll add a text under the overlay. Oh, yeah. Now we can place it anywhere. No. So anyway, what I want is maybe a 0. No, it's maybe capital O. Yeah, this might work. Perhaps with a different color, or we might need a shadow. Right. Oh wait, maybe I'll just forget about this. I can see the mouse, so, and I can see the color that I already have here, so I don't need it. Place it. Child. Okay. Oh, hold on. I remember there is something called synth 2D slider. Yeah, that's what we need. That makes it real easy. So here, as the background image, I totally forgot about that. Let me copy this. We don't need this color here. Right. Okay, now this should be 500 by 500. Wait. It doesn't fill. Can I write this with the size box? not helping. Okay, wrap with size box, and here min desired height and min desired width, and max desired width. I set both 500. Right, now it works. And here I'll call this color wheel, and yeah, we can use this slider to move around. So I already have a suitable image in the previous color picker handle. I'll use it. That size should be enough. Okay, now we can use it. Right. No, it doesn't work because this is dark. That's alright. So we have something now. Okay, now to proceed, we need to add this to the viewport and see. So I'll create a new basic level and save advanced color picker demo. In here, sorry, in the level blueprint, in the bean play, I'll create widget, the class advanced color picker, and add to viewport. Compile and save all. Now here. Now you see when I click, it goes like this. It even goes outside the bounds of the color wheel, which is not cool. We should do something about that, but it's essentially working now. One more thing, I think it would be better if we wrap this with a border and a 20 padding. Oh, sorry, not here. 20 padding to the border. Did it is right, yeah. So this should be 540 by 740 to keep the original scale. And brush color, I'll make it black and a bit transparent. It should look good enough. Yeah. Okay. Now to determine the color that is pointed by this value of this selected area, we need to redo the same logic we did here inside the blueprint. So for that, here we have two events, on value change x and another one on value change y. Now we have the value here, but I'll create a new function. Am I in the play mode? Oh yeah, that's right. So I'll create a new function, update, no, pick color. So we can get this color wave, and then we can get value, which gives us x value and y value, which is the value that we have here. 0 means bottom left. No, 0 means top left. And 0 to 1 changes like this. 0 to 1 in y-axis changes like this. So this is same as texture coordinate. So which makes it should be making things easier. Alright. So now I'll do the same logic that I did in the material here. So this is same as texture coordinate. Let me recombine this and create make vector 2D 0.5 by 0.5, because we essentially need to find the distance between not just the distance, we need to find the vector starting from the middle of the color wheel. So subtract these two. Alright, now the next thing is this vector to radial value. Do we have the same node in blueprints? No. Okay, so here what we get is, if I disconnect everything else, break this link, break this link, this from here it should be 0 R value, and as we go here it should become 1. That's basically what needs to happen, and the rest should be black. Okay, now I'll define a function vector to radial value. This should get an input in vector 2 a 2D vector input, and then output a vector, output a float angle. So this will be returning in radians. Right, now we have the vector. We can break this, and then we have this 𝐴tan2 function. So I need to put x to x, y to y. So this will give us the angle in radians based on this input. Now if I go here, vector to radial, this is the input, and just like here, let's build a vector float 3. I'll discard this power for now because I only want to focus on the color. So yeah, and also the left part. So let me just directly connect this way. So to simplify, Right. Now here, put this into a sign in radians, and we need to update the new color. Set color and opacity. So here we need to make a color, and R is coming from here. Wait, will it be easier to make a vector first? Yeah. So make a vector. I'll connect this value and connect. Okay, now if I compile here, changing from black to red and to black. Okay, it's correct. Now for the power part. Here I have done the power after the float 3, but for float 3 we don't have a power node. Yeah, we don't. So, but we can simply do this. Just multiply it by itself, and this would give us a new problem. Here the negative part will also have a color. So to prevent that, we will have to clamp this in between 0 and 1. Now it should work as intended. Yeah. Okay, now it detects the red part correctly. Now let's consider the green part. So I break this link and connect the green link. So it should be like this. Yeah, but here same thing. Let me break this. So here we are adding 0.33. So actually we get radian value, but here as I understand, we gave for 360 degrees we get value of 1, 0 to 1. So that's why this 333 works here. But if I do a Google search, 360 degrees is this much. So 120, which is 1/3 of this, is 2.099. So here, if I add 2.099 to this, see, now it works correctly. 4G. Alright. Now G is correct. Now let me connect these two and the rest as well. So this 0.667, which should be 240 degrees for 18879. So right, 4.18879. Now didn't I apply? With the power. Okay, now here you see the color is detected correctly. Okay, now the color decoding correct. Now let's work on this part. Center white. So for that, it's easy. Vector length multiply by 2, clamp 1 minus x power. This part I don't think we need to worry about. So vector 2D length. I'll put this in the other screen. Multiply by 2 and then clamp between 0 and 1 and then 1 minus x, but we don't have 1 minus x, so we will have, we have it. We can just simply do this and then power with 5 and then lap this with 111, which is white, and this serves as alpha. Right. Now center becomes white, closer to white, and it just gets this color. Okay, now it works. So next step is, when I click and select a color, we need to update this old color and the new color and the character. Well, old color, new color not needed. I'll just update the character. So actually I already have this MP character, parameter collection and skin color. So I have used that for the character material. Let me show you here. Skin color. I multiply this. I use the skin color from this MP character parameter collection. So if I just update this, it would be applied to the character. So here, set color and opacity and collection parameter collection. Wait, no. Set vector parameter value. Okay. In MP collection, parameter name is skin color, value is this. Now see, It's updating. Okay. Alright, so this close button, apply or cancel button, or these two buttons is not required here because I haven't set up a complete widget or UI that when I click somewhere, open this window and then select the color and apply to close this window and cancel to close without applying. So I don't have that set up yet, but I will do that in another episode. So for now, I'm going to stop this episode right here. And thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for download in the Patreon page. Link will be in the description below. And if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.